let's do this. It's beautiful out here. I'm gonna put these puppies in 4-wheel drive. Alright, I think I can work with this. I think I just need to put a little action in it. I've only got a 6 weight here. I really need like a 8 or a 9 weight to cast in this wind. This water is so pretty and clear though. Alright, you know what? Let's get off these forsaken rocks and go walk the beach. It sounds nice.
En medio del mar yo nací, en una islita que se llama Puerto Rico. Tesoro es un cofre encantado, por eso es que te quiero tanto. En medio del mar yo nací, en una islita que se llama Puerto Rico. Lo que no tiene tamaño, lo tiene la grandeza de su gente.
I just saw a tarpon right in front of me. Big old tarpon. Holy cow. Oh my god. I don't want to say anything. It was a big one. It was probably like 3 or 4 feet. I'm not going to catch him on this, but oh my gosh, if I just hooked him and could see him jump, that'd be crazy. Oh, I got one. Oh my god. Oh, holy cow. Oh my gosh. That was a real one. Oh, yo, that's gonna keep me up at night. But that's gonna get me up early in the morning also. Whew. Gosh, it's gonna frustrate me. I gotta let that go. Focus, get the next one. All right, gang, we are back at it with a vengeance. It is 5:42 in the morning. Just got out here to Crash Boat Beach once again. Got my fly rod here, and we are on a mission. We're gonna see if there's any activity in the surf this morning, especially after we got that bite yesterday. I am very excited to get back at this and see if whatever that was wants to play. So, the roosters are crowing, the sun's gonna come up soon, and we're not gonna waste any more time. So, let's rock and roll. Well, the sun is coming up, and I haven't caught any fish. Another Slow morning, not for lack of trying. I think I'm admitting defeat on the tarpon, so I'm gonna leave here and I'm gonna go back to another place where I know there's blue runners and some smaller jacks. I haven't targeted them yet because I've just been really wanting to catch a tarpon, but I don't think that's gonna happen for me now, so I'm gonna see if I can't catch something before I have to go to the airport. All right. Oh, got a little jack here.
Jack?
Yeah, a little jack. All right.
There you go.
So I think a little bar jack, maybe. I'm not exactly sure. It's a cool looking fish though. That's it's the first one I've caught. All right, y'all. There he goes. What is this, a mullet? Goodness. Look at that guy. That is a mullet. Let's get him back. Pretty thing. Free.
No fishing warning.
Sai fora, playboy! Vou falar real, sai fora, playboy. Não me leva mal, mas isso me corrói. Os caras já nascem com oportunidade. A verdade dói, dói de verdade. Universidade, família estruturada. Bem educado, tem pai e mãe. Fortunas herdada. Peso desigual nessa balança. Nem 1 milhão de anos o pobre alcança. Não gosto de rico, não fala comigo. Pior se for metido, não entra no meu caminho. Não vem se explicar, não vem falar que é só estudar e se matar de tanto trabalhar. Não gosto de rico, não fala comigo. Não vem se explicar, não adianta nem tentar. Não vem falar que é só estudar e se matar de tanto trabalhar. É um jogo de dados que não dá pra ganhar. Meu mundo é diferente do seu. Cê não entendeu, você cresceu na fartura com estrutura e nós aqui só na luta, sem ajuda, escola pública. Você conhece a universidade, mas nunca sentiu a realidade. E nós só a maldade das ruas da cidade. E raros momentos de felicidade. Eu cresci com a família separada, desestruturada, trabalhando pra manter a empresa do rico, pra ajudar em casa com o mínimo.